Okay. Yeah, I think 30 billion will be fine. I could probably take that. So yeah, sounds good, Elon. I'll talk to you later, all right? So yeah, I was pedaling that entire time during that very real call with Elon Musk, and no one would be able to tell. And that's kind of the whole reason why this thing exists. This is the ZenJoy Cube Cycle. It's basically a small stationary bike you could just use while you're sitting. And the main thing is, it doesn't feel like a whole event. Like, I opened the box and it was just ready. No setup, no give me 45 minutes and a screwdriver, nothing. You just take it out and start using it, which already puts it ahead of most stuff like this. Also, it doesn't look terrible. That sounds like a dumb thing to care about, but it matters. Most fitness equipment looks sterile. This actually blends in. It looks more like furniture than gym equipment. It's also way smaller than I expected. You could slide it under a desk, keep it next to your couch, and move it around pretty easily thanks to the wheels. It's not one of those things that takes over your entire space. The bigger thing though is if you would actually want to sit on it, because if it's uncomfortable, you're not gonna use it. The seat is honestly solid. I thought it was gonna be one of those tiny bike seats that makes you regret your decisions immediately, but thankfully it's not. It's wide, cushioned, you could sit on it for a while without thinking about it, and that's kind of the point. You're not hopping on this to work out. You just sit down, start pedaling, and go back to whatever you were doing. It's also really quiet, like just listen. Yeah, so it's legitimately quiet. I've used it on calls, watching stuff late at night. You just don't hear it. That alone makes it more usable than a lot of the other options out there. You can adjust the resistance too, so you could either keep your legs moving a little or turn it up and actually feel like you're doing something. But I wouldn't buy this thinking it's going to replace the gym or anything like that. It's more like instead of sitting completely all day, you're at least doing something. And that's why I think it works, because when you compare it to the other stuff, walking pads are loud and kind of awkward to actually use while working. Steppers feel like you're forcing yourself to exercise. And this is just sitting and pedaling. No balance, no setup, no thinking, so you actually end up using it. I've been using it while answering emails, watching YouTube, just scrolling on TikTok, honestly, nothing crazy, and that's the only reason it sticks. Now, the one thing is, this is expensive, and I'm not gonna pretend that it isn't. It normally costs $799, and right now it's $599. So it's definitely an investment. If you are interested, there is an extra discount using my link in the description, which does help support the channel. But yeah, this is one of those things where you have to be honest with yourself. Are you actually going to use it? Because if you are, it makes sense. If you're that type that buys fitness stuff and never touches it again, this probably won't magically fix that. For me though, I've used this more than anything else I've tried in this category, and that's really the only thing that matters. If you sit all day and just want to move a little more without turning your life upside down, this is probably the closest I've found to something that actually fits into that. Let me know in the comments down below what you use to keep yourself active while you're at your desk, because I'm legitimately interested. And if you want to learn more about this thing, I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Thank you for watching Swashing on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed watching. If not, then fuck you. Please hit subscribe because my channel is dead. Jesus Christ, man, that's just really sad.